When you search for jock stands, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Amazon Basics Steel Jock Stands. We have the Amazon Basics Steel Jock Auto Stands, priced at $28.88. These are budget-friendly and caught my eye for their straightforward design and solid 3-ton capacity. If you want something reliable without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These jock stands offer a 3-ton load capacity, which means they can safely hold vehicles weighing up to 6,000 pounds. The self-locking ratchet design makes it easy to adjust the height without fumbling with any locking keys. Just raise and it locks in place. With a maximum height of 16.34 inches, they'll cover most standard cars, meeting ASME safety standards for added peace of mind. Plus, they've sold over 8,000 pairs in just the past month, which shows people trust them. Now, some people complained about the lack of a wider base for stability. Here's the thing though, if you're using them for standard cars and not heavier SUVs or trucks, this isn't a deal breaker. They work perfectly for the average car enthusiast. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid, no-frills jock stand for regular car maintenance. Skip this one if you need something for larger vehicles or if you're looking for advanced features. For the price, these offer great value for money. Now, if the Amazon Basics stand's basic design doesn't quite meet your needs, the next option might actually be even better for stability and support.
Product number 2, Big Red T43202 Touran Heavy Duty Steel Jack Stands. At $32.09, they're slightly pricier, but the build quality really caught my attention. If you want something a bit sturdier with a higher lifting range, this deserves your attention. These jack stands also have a 3-ton capacity, just like the last ones, but they feature an adjustable height from 11.25 inches to 16.75 inches. That means you have flexibility when lifting your vehicle, and the wide pyramid foot base provides added strength and stability. The multi-position ratchet bar allows for quick height adjustments, locking securely when set. Plus, they've been tested for reliability and safety, meeting ASME standards too. However, I did find some reviews mentioning that they can be slightly heavy to move around. But let's be real, if you're lifting heavy vehicles, a little extra weight can mean more stability. So for those who prioritize safety over portability, these are definitely worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and stable option for cars and smaller SUVs. Skip these if you need something ultra-light and portable. Considering their features, they offer solid value for what you're getting. If the weight of the Big Red stands is a concern for you, the next stand we're discussing offers a low-profile design for easier handling.
Product number 3, Jack Boss Low-Profile Jack Stands. Let's check out the Jack Boss Jack Stands, which are perfect for low-profile vehicles. Priced at $29.99, these are a great option if you drive smaller cars and want something easy to use. If you're working on low vehicles, this is definitely worth your attention. These jock stands have a 2-ton capacity and can lift from 9.8 inches to 15 inches, making them suitable for most compact cars. The design features a large concave top saddle, which means they fit your vehicle's undercarriage better and provide a safer working space. Also, the sawtooth design allows for precise height adjustments. No guesswork involved here. One thing to note is that they're not recommended for trucks or larger SUVs. Some users mentioned they'd prefer a higher capacity for heavier vehicles, but if your car fits within the 2-ton range, this isn't an issue and they provide a stable platform for maintenance. This is perfect for you if you're a city driver with a low-profile car. Skip these if you need something for bigger vehicles. They're a great deal for the cost, especially if you fit their specifications. If you're looking for something that can handle bigger vehicles, the next option might surprise you with its versatility.
Product number 4, Yellow Jacket Car Jack Stands. The Yellow Jacket Car Jack Stands, coming in at $44.99. These are designed for both cars and SUVs, which is why they piqued my interest. If you want something that's super versatile, take a closer look at these. With a 3-ton capacity and a lifting range of 10.875 inches to 16.562 inches, they offer plenty of flexibility for various vehicle types. The double locking mechanism adds an extra layer of safety so you can feel secure while working underneath. The wide pyramid foot base provides stability, and the sawtooth design allows for quick height adjustments, making your job easier. However, a few reviews pointed out that the ratchet bar can be a bit stiff when adjusting. It can be frustrating, but a little extra effort can mean a more secure fit. This is perfect for you if you have both cars and SUVs and need a reliable jack stand. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight, as they are a bit bulkier, but for what you get, the price is justifiable. If you want something that lifts even higher, the last stand is something you need to check out. Tonda jack stands. Let's look at the Tonda jack stands, which can lift vehicles up to 21.06 inches and are priced at $39.99. This is a fantastic option if you have larger vehicles like SUVs or trucks. If you're looking for something that can handle extra height, this is definitely worth your consideration. With a 3-ton capacity, these jack stands can lift from 13.39 inches to 21.06 inches, making them suitable for a range of vehicles, from cars to larger SUVs. The self-locking ratcheting mechanism is easy to use, and the wide pyramid foot base provides exceptional stability. Plus, they're built with carbon steel, so durability is a big plus. One downside is that they may be a bit cumbersome for smaller cars. Some users mentioned that they felt too tall for their needs, but if you often work on larger vehicles, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you have an SUV or truck and need a reliable jack stand for higher lifting. Skip these if you only drive compact cars. For the quality and lifting capacity, they offer great value. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Amazon Basics for budget-conscious users, the Big Red for stability, the Jack Boss for low-profile cars, the Yellow Jacket for versatile needs, and the Tonda for larger vehicles. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on your specific needs and situations. Choose wisely and lift safely.